What if some of the healthiest foods in the world are foods you barely notice at the grocery store? While millions of people spend money on supplements, trendy powders, and expensive health products, some ordinary foods are quietly delivering incredible benefits for the heart, brain, digestion, immune system, and even healthy aging. And one food on today's list is so nutritious that some experts call it one of the most underrated foods on Earth. Yet most people walk right past it. Stay until the end because the final food may completely change the way you look at vegetables. Most people walk right past sardines in the grocery store without giving them a second thought. They're small, inexpensive, and definitely not as popular as foods like salmon or tuna. But what surprises many nutrition experts is that these tiny fish contain an incredible amount of nutrition packed into a very small package. In fact, sardines are often considered one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Sardines are loaded with high-quality protein, which helps support muscle maintenance and keeps you feeling full for longer. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that support heart health, brain function, and overall wellness. On top of that, sardines provide important nutrients like vitamin D, calcium, vitamin B12, phosphorus, and selenium. Because the tiny edible bones are usually included, sardines can even provide a surprising amount of calcium. What makes sardines even more impressive is that they are lower on the food chain than many larger fish. That means they generally accumulate fewer contaminants while still delivering powerful nutritional benefits. Yet, despite all of this, millions of people continue to overlook them simply because they're not considered trendy. But once you look at their nutritional profile, it's easy to see why many experts consider sardines one of the healthiest seafood choices you can make. At first glance, mushrooms don't look like anything special. They're not brightly colored, they don't have a strong reputation as a superfood, and many people think of them as just a pizza topping or side ingredient. But beneath their simple appearance is a surprisingly impressive nutritional profile that makes them one of the most underrated foods in the grocery store. Mushrooms are naturally low in calories, while providing a variety of important nutrients, including B vitamins, selenium, copper, and potassium. They also contain unique antioxidants and beneficial compounds that help protect cells from everyday stress. Some mushrooms can even provide vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, making them one of the few natural food sources of this important nutrient. What makes mushrooms especially interesting is that they offer a rich, satisfying flavor often called umami, which can help make healthy meals more enjoyable without adding large amounts of calories or unhealthy ingredients. Yet, despite their many benefits, mushrooms are often overlooked in favor of more expensive health foods. The truth is that these humble fungi may be one of the simplest ways to add more nutrition, flavor, and variety to your diet. Most people only think about seaweed when it's wrapped around sushi, but in many parts of the world it's considered one of the most nutritious foods available. For centuries, coastal cultures have included seaweed in their diets because of its impressive concentration of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. Yet despite its remarkable nutritional value, it remains one of the most overlooked foods in many grocery stores. Seaweed is especially known for its rich mineral content. It provides iodine, which plays an important role in supporting normal thyroid function, along with minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and iron. It also contains antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from everyday stress. Because seaweed grows in the ocean, it absorbs a variety of nutrients that are often harder to obtain from land-based foods. What makes seaweed even more surprising is how little you need to enjoy its benefits. A small amount can add flavor, texture, and valuable nutrients to a meal. While many people spend money on expensive supplements to increase their mineral intake, they often overlook this simple ocean vegetable. Once you understand what seaweed contains, it's easy to see why many nutrition experts consider it one of nature's hidden nutritional treasures. At first glance, beets may look like just another ordinary root vegetable, but their deep red color is a clue that something special is happening inside. For years, beets were often overlooked in favor of more popular vegetables, yet they contain unique natural compounds that have made them increasingly popular among health-conscious individuals and even professional athletes. Beets are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. But what really sets them apart is their natural nitrate content. The body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a compound that helps support healthy blood flow and blood vessel function. This is one reason beets have gained attention among people looking to support exercise performance and cardiovascular health naturally. What makes beets especially impressive is that they deliver these benefits while remaining affordable and widely available. Whether eaten roasted, added to salads, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as beet juice, they can be an easy addition to a healthy diet. Yet many people still pass them by without realizing that this colorful vegetable may be one of the most underrated foods in the produce section. Many people walk past papaya without giving it much attention, choosing more familiar fruits instead. But this bright tropical fruit is packed with nutrients that can make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Its naturally sweet taste often makes people think of it as just a delicious snack, yet there's much more to papaya than its flavor. Papaya is loaded with vitamin C, providing an impressive amount in a single serving. It also contains vitamin A, folate, potassium, and antioxidants that help support overall health. In addition, papaya contains a natural enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and has made this fruit popular for supporting healthy digestion in many cultures around the world. What makes papaya especially appealing is that it delivers all of these nutrients while tasting naturally sweet and refreshing. Unlike many processed snacks and desserts, papaya provides vitamins, minerals, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds in every bite. Yet, despite its impressive nutritional profile, it remains one of the most overlooked fruits in many supermarkets, making it a true hidden gem for healthy eating. When people think about healthy foods, cabbage is rarely the first thing that comes to mind. It doesn't have the trendy reputation of kale or the colorful appeal of exotic superfoods. But despite its simple appearance, cabbage is one of the most nutritious and affordable vegetables you can add to your diet. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and a variety of beneficial plant compounds that help support overall health. These nutrients play important roles in immune function, digestion, and maintaining healthy cells throughout the body. Whether eaten raw in salads, cooked into meals, or enjoyed in fermented forms, cabbage delivers a surprising amount of nutrition for very few calories. What makes cabbage even more impressive is how versatile and budget-friendly it is. A single head can be used in multiple meals and provides nutrients that many people spend much more money trying to get from supplements or specialty foods. Yet because it's so common, cabbage is often overlooked. The truth is that this humble vegetable may be one of the best nutritional bargains in the entire produce section. Many people only think about asparagus as a side dish served at restaurants, but this elegant green vegetable is far more impressive than it appears. Despite being low in calories, asparagus is packed with nutrients that support overall health, making it one of the most underrated vegetables in the produce section. Asparagus provides a variety of important vitamins and minerals, including folate, vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. It also contains fiber, which helps support healthy digestion and can contribute to feeling full after meals. In addition, asparagus contains antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from everyday stress and support long-term wellness. What makes asparagus especially appealing is that it delivers a lot of nutrition without adding many calories. It can be grilled, roasted, steamed, or added to a wide variety of meals, making it easy to include in a healthy eating plan. Yet many people overlook it in favor of more popular vegetables, never realizing that this simple green spear is packed with nutrients that can benefit the body in many different ways. Many people see dates and immediately assume they're unhealthy because they're naturally very sweet, but that assumption often causes people to overlook one of the most nutritious fruits available. For centuries, dates have been enjoyed in many cultures not only for their flavor, but also for the valuable nutrients they provide. Dates contain fiber, potassium, magnesium, and a variety of antioxidants that support overall health. The fiber in dates can help support healthy digestion and may help you feel satisfied longer compared to many processed sugary snacks. They also provide natural carbohydrates, making them a quick source of energy when you need it most. What makes dates especially interesting is that they can satisfy a sweet craving while still delivering important nutrients. While moderation is always important, dates are very different from highly processed candies and desserts that offer little nutritional value. Yet because people focus only on their sweetness, they often miss the fact that dates are packed with vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds that make them a surprisingly healthy choice. Chickpeas may not get as much attention as trendy superfoods, but they've been a staple food in healthy diets around the world for thousands of years. These small legumes might look simple, yet they're packed with nutrients that can support everything from digestion to energy levels, making them one of the most underrated foods in the grocery store. One of the biggest advantages of chickpeas is their combination of plant protein and fiber. This powerful duo helps promote fullness, supports healthy digestion, and may help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Chickpeas also provide important nutrients, such as folate, iron, magnesium, and manganese, which play key roles in many functions throughout the body. What makes chickpeas especially impressive is how versatile and affordable they are. They can be added to salads, soups, stews, grain bowls, or blended into hummus for a nutritious snack. Despite their long list of benefits, many people overlook chickpeas in favor of more expensive health foods. But when it comes to nutrition, convenience, and value, these humble legumes are hard to beat. Many people think all peppers are basically the same, but red bell peppers stand out as one of the most nutritious vegetables you can buy. Their bright color isn't just attractive, it signals the presence of powerful nutrients and antioxidants that support overall health. Yet, despite being available in nearly every grocery store, they rarely get the recognition they deserve. Red bell peppers are especially rich in vitamin C, providing more than many fruits commonly associated with this nutrient. They also contain vitamin A and beneficial antioxidants, including carotenoids, which help protect cells from everyday oxidative stress. These nutrients support immune health, eye health, and overall wellness, while adding very few calories to your diet. What makes red bell peppers even more impressive is that they're naturally sweet, crunchy, and incredibly versatile. They can be enjoyed raw as a snack, added to salads, roasted with vegetables, or included in countless meals. While many people search for exotic superfoods, they often overlook red bell peppers sitting right in front of them. The truth is that this colorful vegetable may be one of the easiest and tastiest ways to add more nutrition to your daily diet. Few vegetables have been misunderstood as much as Brussels sprouts. For years, they developed a reputation as a food people were forced to eat rather than wanted to eat. But thanks to better cooking methods and a growing awareness of their nutritional value, Brussels sprouts have become a favorite among many health-conscious eaters. And for good reason. Brussels sprouts are packed with fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and a variety of beneficial plant compounds that support overall health. The fiber helps support healthy digestion and can contribute to feeling full after meals, while the vitamins and antioxidants help support the body's normal functions and protect cells from everyday stress. Despite being low in calories, Brussels sprouts deliver an impressive amount of nutrition in every serving. What makes Brussels sprouts especially surprising is how versatile they can be. When roasted, they develop a rich flavor and crispy texture that is very different from the boiled versions many people remember from childhood. Yet, because of their old reputation, countless people continue to avoid them without realizing that Brussels sprouts may be one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables in the grocery store. Most people see artichokes in the grocery store and keep walking. They look unusual, take a little more effort to prepare, and aren't as familiar as many other vegetables. But behind that tough exterior is one of the most nutrient-rich vegetables available, making artichokes one of the best-kept secrets in healthy eating. Artichokes are especially known for their impressive fiber content. In fact, they provide more fiber than many vegetables people commonly eat every day. Fiber plays an important role in supporting healthy digestion, helping you feel full after meals, and supporting overall gut health. Artichokes also contain important nutrients such as vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and a variety of antioxidants that help protect the body's cells. What makes artichokes particularly remarkable is that they deliver all of these benefits while being relatively low in calories. Despite their nutritional value, many people avoid them simply because they're unfamiliar or seem difficult to prepare. But those who take the time to enjoy artichokes often discover a delicious vegetable packed with nutrients that can support overall health and wellness. It's a perfect example of a food that deserves far more attention than it gets. The truth is that healthy eating isn't always about finding the newest trend or buying the most expensive products. Sometimes the most powerful foods are the ones hiding in plain sight. Foods like sardines, mushrooms, seaweed, beets, cabbage, and artichokes. These foods may not dominate social media headlines, but they provide nutrients that can support your body in ways many people never realize. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering these hidden nutritional gems, subscribe to the channel because the next video may completely change the way you look at food.